First I take hardener 26 gram. 26. Then I take resin 52 gram. 52. Use weight scale for right ratio of resin and hardener as per product norm. Mix it very well till transparent liquid. Keep silicone mold on desk. (12 to 15 gram resin distributed in bowl. 12-15. Mix blue pigment with resin. Mix it very well. Mix pink pigment with resin. Mix sky blue pigment with resin. Mix orange pigment with resin. Mix green pigment with resin. Mix green glitter with green resin. Mix blue glitter with blue resin. Mix pink glitter with pink resin. Mix sky blue glitter with blue resin. Mix it very well. Pour various color resin liquid at silicone mold as per video. Subscribe and hit bell for upcoming video and notification. Link of all material list for this art is provided in description box. Keep and cover as it's still dry for 12 to 18 hours. 12-18. Remove silicone mold after dry. Now it is completely ready.